carboxylic acids, Iupac nomenclature of carboxylic acids, and I will teach you my personal trick to learn common names of carboxylic acids. Firstly, let me teach you that what are carboxylic acids. Well, any compound contains carboxyl group COOH is called carboxylic acid. For example, consider this organic compound. This is carboxylic acid because it contains COOH group. Similarly, consider this organic compound. This is also carboxylic acid because it contains COOH group. Thus remember that any organic compound contains COOH carboxylic group is called carboxylic acid. Now let me teach you that why COOH is called carboxyl group. This C double bond O group is called carbonyl group, while this OH group is called hydroxyl group. Here, carbonyl group and hydroxyl group combine together to form C double bond O single bond OH group. Now from carbonyl group, only carb is taken. I write here carb. While from hydroxyl group, only oxyl is taken. I write here oxyl. So I get carboxyl group. Thus remember that when carbonyl group and hydroxyl group combine together, they form carboxyl group. Note it down that we write carboxylic acids as RCOOH, RCO2H, RC double bond O, single bond OH. So these are the different methods or different formats of writing carboxylic acids. Now let me teach you the Iupac nomenclature of carboxylic acids. We will learn both the common names and Iupac names of carboxylic acids. Personally, I teach to my students to write FabBVC. Let me repeat it. I write FabBVC. Now consider this organic compound. This is only one carbon. I write methane. Remember that for COOH, we write oic acid. Here, we eliminate this E from methane. For this COH, we write oic acid. Hence, we get methanoic acid. What about its common name? Well, F stands for formic acid. So its Iupac name is methanoic acid and its common name is formic acid. Secondly, consider this organic compound. There are two carbons present in it. I write ethane. For COOH, I write oic acid. So I get ethanoic acid. What about its common name? Well, A stands for acetic acid. So the Iupac name of this compound is ethanoic acid and its common name is acetic acid. Thirdly, consider this organic compound. There are three carbons present in it. I write propane. For COOH, I write oic acid. What about its common name? Well, P stands for propionic acid. So the Iupac name of this compound is propanoic acid and its common name is propionic acid. Fourthly, consider this organic compound. There are four carbons present in it. I write butane. For COOH, I write oic acid. I get butanoic acid. What about its common name? Well, B stands for butyric acid. So the Iupac name of this organic compound is butanoic acid and its common name is butyric acid. Fifthly, consider this organic compound. There are five carbons present in it. I write pentane. For COOH, I write oic acid. I get pentanoic acid. What about its common name? Well, V stands for valoric acid. So the Iupac name of this compound is pentanoic acid and its common name is valoric acid. Finally, consider this organic compound. There are six carbons present in it. I write hexane. For COOH, I write oic acid. I get hexanoic acid. What about its common name? Well, C stands for caproic acid. So the Iupac name of this organic compound is hexanoic acid and its common name is caproic acid. Thus by this way we can easily name carboxylic acids. Now let me teach you that how quickly we can use this trick in any exam. I always write FEP-BVC, then I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If there is one carbon in carboxylic acid, it is formic acid. If there are two carbons, it is acetic acid. If there are three carbons, it is propionic acid. If there are four carbons, it is butyric acid. If there are five carbons, it is valeric acid. And if there are six carbons, it is caproic acid. Thus this is the most easy trick to remember the common names of carboxylic acids. Hence note down this important trick. Also, let me teach you some important carboxylic acids whose Iupac names and common names are asked in exam. My personal mnemonic or trick is to write, "Oh my son, go away." Let me repeat it. "Oh my son, go away." And I write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now consider this organic compound. There are two carbons present in it. I write ethane. Also there are two carboxyl groups. I write dioic acid. I get ethane dioic acid. What about its common name? Well, O stands for oxalic acid. So the Iupac name of this compound is ethane dioic acid and its common name is oxalic acid. Secondly, consider this organic compound. There are three carbons present in it. I write propane. The carboxylic groups are present at first and third position. I write 1, 3. For these two COOH, I write dioic acid. I get propane 1,3-dioic acid. What about its common name? Well, M stands for malonic acid. So this is the Iupac name and this is the common name of this organic compound. Thirdly, consider this organic compound. Remember that this 2 means 2 times CH2. There are 4 carbons present in it. I write butane. The carboxyl groups are present at first and fourth position. I write 1, 4. For these two COH, I write dioic acid. I get butane 1,4 dioic acid. What about its common name? Well, S stands for succinic acid. So this is its Iupac name and this is its common name. Fourthly, consider this organic compound. This 3 means 3 times CH2. There are 5 carbons present in it. I write pentane. The carboxylic groups are present at first and fifth position. I write 1,5. And then I write dioic acid. I get pentane 1,5 dioic acid. What about its common name? Well, G stands for glutaric acid. So this is its Iupac name and this is its common name. Lastly, consider this organic compound. This 4 means 4 times CH2. There are 6 carbons present in it. I write hexane. The 2 functional groups are present at first and 6th position. I write 1,6. Also, I write dioic acid. I get hexane 1,6 dioic acid. What about its common name? Well, A stands for adipic acid. This is its Iupac name and this is its common name. Thus remember that if there are 2 carbons, it is oxalic acid. If there are 3 carbons, it is malonic acid. If there are 4 carbons, it is succinic acid. If there are 5 carbons, it is glutaric acid. And if there are 6 carbons, it is adipic acid. I hope that you have learned about carboxylic acids in organic chemistry.